Good morning, class 3 students. This is your English teacher, Miss Cecilia. Today we are going to do activities from Little Tiger, Big Tiger. Page number 73. Reading is fun. Tick the right answer. Where did the mother tiger and her small tiger cub live? Khoya nge tiger sakei puile anau te an chen atiani. Answer dikber. We are going to tick the right answer among the given answers. Helaya han answer ron pea adikber kan lo tick to ni. Near a river. Daih kan lo thayang o. Lui bula an cheng ni. Number 2. What did the mother tiger hunt when the sky was dark? Khoa lo thim khanin sakei pui khanin enge engsange apel trin, sheep and goats, deer and pigs, fish and frogs, donkeys and horses. Beram le kelte, sakhi le vokte, sangha le utrokte, sanghawngsei le sakorte. Chuan a hunt tin chu a story kan ngai thla to kan lo sianga deer and pigs ani tiro. What did the tiger cub catch one night? Sakei no te khan zana khan inge alo man le. Deer sakhi ani em, B a frog, utrok, C a pig, vok, D a cat zo te. Inge aman kha kan la sharinga nga utrok te ani. Let's take this one. Number 2. What happened to the little tiger cub when he chased the frog? When the little tiger chased the frog, a big tiger came near him. Sakei no te khanin utrok a om lai khanin sakei lian pui kha bula khan lo kalam tiro. So I answer ni. Word building. Match the animals with their young ones. Heng ramsa te hi an no te te nen thai zung ro. Atiani. Horse. Horse no te chu. Engi lo ni taang. Colt ani ro hian. Dog chu puppy. Cat chu kitten. Cow chu calf. Cow le calf. Chuan pig chu piglet. Tiger cub. Sheep. Sheep no te chu lamb ani. Goat kids. Duck duckling. Chuan word game. Can you place these letters in their right order to form the names of animals? Hi adikin adiklawin na ron om veka chu chu adika zia turani. Hei chu mouse ania, hei chu horse. Lion ti nania, sheep, deer, bull, tiger, wolf ti nani. Heng answer te hi lo zia be turani. A spelling dik lawin na lo oma hei hi siam chata tan zia dik turani. Chuan, who am I? Look at the pictures and read clues. Then complete this crossword puzzle. The first clue is done for you. Yani. Heng ang hian ram saming hianin da ka turani. SHEEP. Sheep. Mo. Chuan. Picture si ena eng lo turani helam pangami hi. Masabera chuan I give wool atia. I give wool atia. Sheep ani tero number 1 at chuan. Chuan chu enge kan di chuan hetlai hang kan ziak pheyanga ming ka. Number 2 a enge kan nei I lay eggs ka tui chi na tia tui chin chu heng picture zinga chuan hei cha hi ni tero arpui hi arpui chu how do we call it in English? Hen. H-E-N hen. We will write H-E-N hen here. Number 3, what do we have? I give you milk. Nute tui ka pechin cheu adia heng zinga nute tui min pechin tu chu cow ania. Cow gives us milk. So we will write C-O-W cow. Now number 4, what do we have? In number 4, let's see. I carry lots. Read ka porchin atiani. Read porchin too. Let's check the picture. Here we have donkey. So we will write donkey. Donkey is number 4. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. Let's go back to the number 5. I knee. Mo. Asham khani ni ate china tiani mo ni. Check the ni ti chun chu horse ani hengzinga chan mo horse ka ani china ni. John we will write horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. What do we have in the next one? I am man's best friend. Mishing te chan chaper kani tene. Mishing te chan chaper tian so chin chu dog ani. Tro a dog is a man's best friend. Anti chin ani. Chu wangin dog ani. Hey we te la hi ali malo oma. So we will write number 6 D-O-G dog. Number 7. Now we have to do number 7. I live in a sty. Mo hata vok ina khanin sty chu vok ho chen na in soina niya. Chuan vok ina cheng thin chu pig ani tro sty chu P-I-G pig. Dodlia chuan I bleed. Ka me china tiani me he ka ti china tiani. Me he ti chin chu kiel ani tro kiel te hei hi kiel no te ani. So we will write G-O-A-T goat. Then let's go to the next one. I am the sheep of the desert. Helera chuan long ang mai kani atiani. Then hei ho chu an milawa thalera om chin chu camel hi ni tro. We'll write camel here. C-A-M-E-L camel. Now let's go to the next one. The animals or birds in column A have to reach their homes in column B. Find out where they live. Heng ramsa column A mitian. The animals at the column A, they have to go home and reach their home. An in an thenangaya an hodona. Chuanin khoi birhingi an in kan lo chekang a bee. Bee chu beehive a cheng chin. An ant. Ant chu ant hill an cheng chin. A bee chu hive a ant chu ant hill. A duck chu pond. Dil te ya. Chuan khwai bu ti na mo hive chu ant hill po fanghmir bu ti na ni. A tiger lives in a den. Tiger chu puka a cheng chin ani. A rabbit lives in a burrow. A spider lives in where? A web. Spider chu web pa cheng chin. A sparrow nest. Sawa chu sawa bua. Page number 77. Say aloud. Hey hi ring takaron chiar turani. Quiet, quiet, queen, quarrel, bellow, fellow, shallow,
swallow,
big, bigger, biggest, small, smaller, smallest, rich, richer, richest, pounce, bounce.
That's all the activities we have in Little Tiger, Big Tiger. I hope you understand it. If you do not understand it, you can ask me and do it in your textbook. And if you do not have a textbook, do it in your notebook.